it's like, what do I put on top? Am I gonna use mushrooms? Hey guys, welcome to my very first segment of Hey Good Looking, What's Cooking. We are over here at Lorenzo's Farmers Market. I'm going to pick out some fruits, some vegetables. Stay tuned to see what I'll make. Today, but I'm gonna make the sweet plantain waffles. That's how I'm gonna make. So I'm definitely gonna need some sweet plantain. Also ripe, so when you touch it, it should feel like a little, not mushy, but your hand should be able to dip or sink in a little bit, but not all the way. So for these, I want them a little bit more ripe, because the more ripe they are, the sweeter it is. All right, so I'm gonna take one. I don't want none too big. Now here's the situation when I don't want it big. I want it to be nice, but not too. Okay, this is good. This is good. And that's it.
So that's not too big. That's not too big.
No, I mean you talking about something like this. Whoa, 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 whoa! Look at this bazooka, big bazooka.
That's what you like, right?
Ladies, y'all gotta stop with this. This is. I always check to see if the fruits and stuff are mushed up or bruised or whatever. I'll try to get the package that has the least damaged fruits in there. I think that's it. I think that's it. And then over here, I just got 4 oranges for 79 cents. It don't get better than that. Where's the bargain? Not at the swap shop today. It's at Lorenzo's Farmers Market. Oh, and you know what? Even though this is dry, they're supposed to be refrigerated. Yeah, because you know, I had been keeping them out and I see they start to grow and I'm like, this ain't supposed to be like this. Come on, that's it. Got my mango. Got my sweet plantains. Now it's time to put everything together. These are my star ingredients. I use a combination of sweet plantains and green burro plantains. What I'm doing is starting off by adding the coconut shreddings into the processor and grind it to almost like a flour type of texture. Then I'm going to add the rest of the remaining dry ingredients. I did add a little chickpea flour. The combination of the chickpea and the coconut will give me more of a dense waffle, which would make it more chewy. If that's not what your aim is, you can just not use those 2 ingredients and just use the plantains and the rest of the ingredients. So when you do this, just make sure everything is grinded all the way and mixed to this type of paste that we have here. After you do all of that, you just use, well, I'm using my mini waffle maker and just add some in there. Read the instructions on your waffle maker, and that's it. This is what you get. Nice golden pancake. What am I saying? Pancake waffles. All right. Look at that. Isn't she a beaut? All right. And you don't have to feel guilty about eating this because it's all healthy. All right. You can use some agave if you don't, or maple syrup, you know. This is what we have, but hold on for a little bit of mukbang action. The video is not over yet. Listen, it's sweet and it's tangy a little bit from the blackberries, but it's delicious. And most of all, most importantly, it's healthy. Hello. It's not crunchy. It has a soft, it's a soft waffle texture, very soft. I guess if you leave it to cook a little longer, it might get a little crispy. It's sweet, it's tangy. Thank you for joining me. I hope you enjoyed. Hey, good looking, what's cooking today? We made tropical plantains, and I topped it off with some mangoes and blackberry because I like that combination. If you try it, let me know. Leave me a comment. Let's talk about it. What were your likes and dislikes? Did you make any changes to it? Let me know. Until next time, don't forget to follow the I Invent page where I post my food and vintage clothing. See you next time.